Hello everybody, this is db8sid and I'm going to teach you how to do this particular experiment, which is a JDBC connectivity with a MySQL. So the following particular four options need to be performed. We have to make a menu to give to the user and ask him to insert his choice, and according to his choice a person can insert a new order, modify order details, or delete a record from the order table, and search a supply details based on the product ID. So for doing this, we write a particular one. We'll write one Java program. So we'll import all the libraries, SQL library and scanner library. Then we'll create a class known as expp8. Then we'll write the main function. So for the main function, the main coding of the program will be in the main function. In main function, we'll make two objects. First object will be of the connection, and the second object will be of the statement. So statement class. So first, using the connection class, we'll make a object by giving the URL system and the database name, and then we'll make a statement object giving statement equal to connection object name, which is con.create statement. So the object for the statement class will be made. Then we'll display a menu which goes like menu. First option is insert new, second is modify, third is delete, and fourth is search. And then we'll make an object of scanner with the help of which we'll ask the user to insert details from using the keyboard. Then we'll ask the user to insert his choice in an integer known as ch, and using a switch case, we'll make this particular program UI interactive with the user. So case 1 will be done. In case 1, what we'll do is we'll ask the user to insert order ID, order date, and supply and CID, which is particularly. So for these all things, we'll be using the scanner object S. We'll ask the user to insert, and then we'll make a query which is insert into. We'll write a string, which string SQL, some string which will hold this query, so which will of a string type. So insert into order 1 plus values, order ID, date, CID, and then when this particular string is made, the user will be concatenated. We'll send this string using the statement object stmt.execute update. We'll call the execute update function with SQL given inside this. So this particular query will be executed and order will be made. For modifying the value, similar thing will be done. We'll ask the user to enter the details, and then we'll make a string which will be an update query. So update query goes like this: update order 1 set column value where condition is given. So and then we'll again using this execute update function, we'll execute this particular query, and update function will be performed. Similar thing will be done in deleting the value, in which we'll ask the user to insert. We'll write a query delete from order 1 where condition will be given. So this particular query will be executed and the details will be deleted. For now, the next part is the searching of the value. So for searching the value, we'll write a query select s_id, s name, gender, and p id from supplier, and then result set. Result set will be made with result set object will be made. So now this result set object will have the executed query. The query which is written above will be executed and be stored in result set rs. And we'll now the next thing what we'll do is we'll ask the user to enter a product ID whose details has to be searched. So we'll using the scanner sc.nextInt, we'll ask the user to insert the product ID. Then we'll give an if condition which goes like this: PID, which was inserted by the user, is equal to rs.getInt product ID. So if the product ID of this particular person will be matched with the database stored product IDs, and if it is available, if the particular product ID is available, we'll display all the details: supplier ID, supplier name, gender, and product ID. So this is how we will execute a PLSQL using JDBC. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.